Over the past week, the crypto market experienced significant movements and developments. Here's a recap of the key events and the current state of the market, along with insights on what to watch out for. 1. Bitcoin and Ethereum achieved new highs. Early in the week, Bitcoin surpassed the $70,000 mark, setting a new all-time high of $73,737. Ethereum also saw a notable increase, crossing $30,400. This surge was attributed to various factors, including inflation concerns in several countries and a general increase in demand for crypto assets. Bitcoin ETFs have seen substantial activity, with record volumes being reported. 2. Solana's remarkable performance, Solana SOL, experienced an 11% increase in 24 hours, reaching a 22-month high of $136. This rally was part of a broader trend of gains within the ecosystem's coins, sparked by growing investor interest and technological advancements within the Solana network. 3. Market corrections and investor behavior. Despite the highs, the crypto market saw some corrections. Bitcoin's price fluctuated, demonstrating the volatile nature of the market. There were outflows from certain crypto products, but the overall trend remained positive, with the total assets managed by crypto exchange-traded notes surpassing $100 billion. 4. Noteworthy developments and concerns. There were several important developments last week, including Binance launching an internal investigation into reports of Bumi insider trading and controversy surrounding Ethereum NFT auctions. Additionally, there's increasing pressure from the IMF on countries like Pakistan to tax crypto transactions. 5. What to watch? As the market continues to evolve, keeping an eye on regulatory developments and the performance of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum will be crucial. The market's response to economic indicators, such as inflation data and the progress of technological upgrades within various blockchain ecosystems, will also be key factors influencing future movements. In summary, the past week has been a roller coaster for the crypto market, with significant gains for major currencies, followed by some corrections. The market's volatility highlights the importance of staying informed about the latest developments and being cautious with investment decisions. Keeping track of regulatory news, technological advancements, and market trends will be essential for navigating the crypto space in the coming days.